everybody, it's your girl Tatiana here, and I'm back with another video. This video I want to show you all my twist out process, the products I use, and then I'll walk you through the process of how I maintain my hair for the next few weeks. I'm trying to hold it out until my next hair appointment, which I need to look and see when that is. I think it's in September sometime, but I'll do another length check and everything after that appointment. But this video, twist out, products, and process after. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. So first thing I did was I washed my hair, and I washed it with an anti-frizz shampoo. I'll share those products in another video. Also anti-frizz conditioner. I put my hair into 4 quadrants, detangled, and twisted them up, and left the conditioner on it while I showered. Then I went to rinse my hair out with cooler water, and then once I got all the product out of my hair, I went ahead and put my leave-in conditioner in my hair, and then twisted it again and covered it with a clear cap, and then this as well, this soft, I forget what they call this towel. I'll find out. I'll try to find out before the next video. But I bought these just to protect, so it doesn't pull on my hair and it's not so heavy on my head trying to have a towel wrapped up. So that's the process that I've done up until this point. I used the lock method, which is a leave-in conditioner, oil, and a cream. So that is the process you are about to visualize. Pay attention. So the product that I have currently on my hair is a leave-in conditioner by Cantu. I'll show a picture what the product looks like. I've used it on a previous video and I've always had great outcomes with it. So I'll take this turban off and start this process going forward. I will speed up the video just a little bit just so we can kind of get through this process just a little faster. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have completed the back portion and I'm doing the last 3 twists at the top, and it's come out pretty good. The products are giving me a lot of good slip. My hair is detangled well, and you can see the areas where I have some heat damage. They don't twist as well. Or even like one of them back here, it won't hold or do anything. I might have to put a roller on that. But I wanted y'all to see that. And then I am going to complete these last few, show you the finished product, and then let it dry, air dry for a little while. And show you how it's turned out. I'm gonna wear it in this style until it starts to look frizzy. Make sure I keep some oil on it. Make sure I keep a satin bonnet on it, and do the oiling of my scalp with the Her Growing Hands. It's called the Drip now, but making sure that I oil my scalp with that every other day, and making sure that I put a little on my hands and rub it all over my hair, especially on the ends, so they're moisturized and so they don't break off. Since I have those areas of heat damage, you've seen that I put the keratin treatment on there, that BTS, the yellow bottle I showed earlier. So that's gonna help prevent some breakage, as you can see as well. I had a layered cut before, so I'm trying to grow it all out one length. And this front portion was layered like that, and then it'll start to come out and break off with some postpartum hair loss. So I'm waiting on this to catch up and to get thicker around the fronts of my hair. Dry. My hair was about 75% of the way dry, like the ends of my hair was dry, but maybe the root was just a little moist. I went ahead and covered my hair with a satin bonnet and slept. And I didn't do the cute sleep or try to sleep up. I slept all over this. And it doesn't look like flat worms in the morning, how it looks sometimes when I wouldn't let it completely dry all the way out. But I'm overall very pleased with this outcome of this style. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you have any suggestions or different combinations that you would like to see done, or things that you do at home, please share them. I'll continue to try to show different products and how they work well on my hair, and continue to take you all on this journey with me. So please make sure that you also look into the LOC method, which is a leave-in or liquid, oil, and a cream, to see how that does for retaining moisture in your hair, because that process, learning how to do that, is amazing. And I forgot to show you all that the oil, I use it on my hair while it was damp as well. So I apologize for leaving that portion out in the earlier part of the video. And if you have any, if you need any more details, please let me know. I'm trying to be as detailed as possible with these tutorials and the education that I'm giving regarding how to make sure your hair is healthy and moisturized and you retain length, or your outcome of your styles look a certain way, whatever your goals are for your hair. So please be blessed, be safe, and I'll see y'all next time.